Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. I'll be preparing donuts in a very simple way, so let's get started. Add 1.5 cup of maida. Add 3 tablespoons of grinded sugar. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking powder and a pinch of salt. Mix all the dry ingredients and add 1/4 cup of milk and add more milk if required. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to it. Make sure to knead a soft dough. Cover it and leave it for half an hour. After half an hour, knead it for another 10 seconds. Roll the dough little thick for donuts. Cut the dough using glass and bottle cap. Fry donuts in preheated oil on medium flame. Fry it until it's golden brown. Leave the donuts aside for 15 minutes. Dip the donuts in chocolate sauces. For choco-filled donut, you need a pointed needle. Rotate it in all directions. Make sure you do it gently and slowly. Fill it with chocolate sauce. Here I am using white chocolate sauce. Use toothpick to give this design to your donut. Now I am using crushed jams on white chocolate sauce to make a rainbow donut. Here I am using Skittles to decorate my donut. Here I am using crushed Oreos to make a cookie donut. Here I have used jelly beans. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.